Alright, I've watched these videos. I've done pretty much exactly this stuff. Done all that. Check dates. Added email addresses. And when I go to send, an error message comes up. Not thank you for participating, but an error message. I'll show you. These are the ones I've tried to create so far. Try again. Poll, right? Group poll. That's what the assignment says. Doodle poll. Same screen that came up right here. Even use the same title to kick off. These are optional, but let's just do it. To be defined. Note. Continue. Let's say it's for today, 3 to 4, 3:15, 4:30 p.m. Sure. Continue. Let's do that, I guess. Okay. Get to this point and try to add my email addresses. I'll even just copy paste this one. And let's see what happens. Okay. And that's just what keeps happening.